Welcome back. Today we're diving into something special, how to keep her completely hooked in the bedroom. We're talking about sex positions that'll have her coming back for more. And yes, if you do these right, she's not going anywhere. Trust me, it's not just about knowing a few positions. It's about creating an experience that's unforgettable, emotionally and physically. So, if you want to know how to bring out the best in both of you in the bedroom, stay with me. 1. Setting the mood and emotional connection. Before we jump into the positions, let's talk about something even more important, setting the mood. The truth is, no matter how good your moves are, if the emotional connection and the atmosphere aren't there, it's not going to have the same effect. Women love feeling connected, emotionally, mentally, and physically. So, take the time to set the mood, dim the lights, play some soft music, light a few candles. Create an environment where she feels safe and desired. When she's relaxed and open, that's when the real magic happens. And once you've got that atmosphere right, it's time to take things to the next level with the positions that'll have her thinking about you long after. 2. The deep connection, face-to-face intimacy. Alright, let's start with something that's often underrated, but incredibly powerful. The classic face-to-face positions. These are the best for building emotional connection during sex, and they can create the kind of bond that will leave her completely addicted. Missionary doesn't have to be boring. In fact, when you slow it down and really focus on her, locking eyes, kissing, and being completely present, it can be one of the most intense experiences. Here's the secret. Use slow, controlled movements and let her feel every inch of you. Instead of focusing on speed or intensity, focus on the sensation and connection. Whisper sweet things to her, tell her how amazing she feels, and let her know how much you're enjoying the moment. Trust me, when you're fully present, she'll feel it, and that's what creates that addictive bond. This isn't just about physical pleasure, it's about emotional depth. And once she feels that, she's hooked. 3. Sensual power, the seated lover position. Next up is one of my personal favorites, the seated lover position. This one is all about closeness, eye contact, and a deeper level of intimacy that'll keep her glued to you, emotionally and physically. Here's how it works. You sit down, either on the edge of the bed or a sturdy chair, and have her sit on your lap, facing you. What makes this position so powerful is the closeness. Your bodies are pressed together, and you can maintain eye contact, kiss, and really feel each other. This is an incredibly intimate position because she's in control of the rhythm, and you can guide her with your hands on her hips. But the key here is to go slow. Encourage her with soft words, like, "I love feeling you this close," or "You're driving me crazy." She's going to feel not just physically connected, but emotionally tied to you. This position lets you take things slow, savor the moment, and build that intense connection that'll keep her coming back for more. 4. The power play doggy style with a twist. Now let's switch gears a bit and talk about a position that combines passion, power, and connection. The doggy style with a twist. This position is amazing because it offers deep penetration and a sense of raw passion. But with a little tweak, you can make it more intimate and addictive for her. In the traditional doggy style, you're behind her, but for this version, I want you to lean in closer. Place your chest against her back, kiss her neck, and wrap your arm around her waist. This brings in the element of closeness that makes her feel protected and cared for, while still maintaining that passionate edge. Move slowly at first, and don't be afraid to whisper in her ear. Tell her how incredible she looks, how much you love the way she feels. The mix of raw passion and emotional intimacy is what makes this position unforgettable for her. She'll feel both your strength and your care, and that's a combination that'll keep her hooked. 5. Ultimate control, the lotus position. Next up, we have the lotus position, which is perfect for creating a deep spiritual connection during intimacy. This one is all about closeness, slow movement, and the feeling of being completely in sync with each other. In this position, you sit cross-legged and have her straddle you, wrapping her legs around your waist. You're face to face, and you can hold her close, feeling her heartbeat, her breath, everything. The key here is to move slowly, feeling every moment, every touch. Tell her how beautiful she is, how much you appreciate her, and how much she means to you. The slower you go, the more intense the connection will become. This is about more than just sex. It's about bonding on a deeper level. When she feels that closeness, that total connection, she'll never want to leave. 6. Playfulness and variety, keeping the fire alive. Now, while all these positions are great, the key to keeping her hooked is variety. Don't stick to the same routine. Mix it up, keep things playful, explore new positions, and make every experience feel fresh and exciting. Women love spontaneity, and when you're willing to try new things and keep things fun, she'll stay hooked not just because of the positions, but because of the experience you're creating together. So there you have it. Those are the positions that'll make her want more and keep her completely addicted to you in bed. But remember, it's not just about the physical, it's about the emotional connection you build.